As Eastman reflects on its 100-year history, the company isn't slowing down. For a century, Eastman has produced innovative products and solutions that touch people's lives every day. As the world has changed, Eastman has adapted to ever-changing markets and demands, continuing to focus on its purpose to enhance the quality of life in a material way. As Eastman looks to the future, the global team is committed to finding innovative solutions for the issues that affect the world around us, leveraging its world-class technologies to address some of the world's biggest challenges. From its beginning 100 years ago, Eastman has grown to be a leader in the specialty materials industry. Its cutting-edge products enhance the lives of people around the world and still bear the name of the man who started it all, George Eastman.
Well, I have the benefit of 100 years of people building a culture that has been outstanding, right? There's great things about our culture, and there's things that have to change. But what's great about our culture is integrity, focus on that, a focus on safety, a focus on responsibility. That is foundational to who we are and always going to be who we are. And then on top of that, we've got to, layer on new characteristics about being innovative, being customer-oriented, and continuing to always focus on even greater safety. But those things, both on what is our foundation and how we're trying to translate that into more value for our customers, is where we're taking our culture.
If you look to the business of Eastman, the way I see it is we are on a journey from a purely chemical company towards a specialty chemical materials company also. And that makes me excited because the solutions for the customers in the future will be a lot material based. So that exciting journey of transforming chemistry into chemicals and then also chemicals with added value, that's for me one of the most exciting things you can do.
The company is committed to paving a sustainable way to grow in many areas and acting as the responsible corporate citizens. Eastman has been a company that promoting the innovation consistently.
I think the thing that drives us continually from an innovation perspective, both historically and going forward, is trying to identify what are the most significant challenges we face in the world. How do we connect those to clear, well-defined, unmet market or customer needs? And then how do they link to Eastman technology, capability, innovation? Because there's a lot of problems out in the world that Eastman's just not the right company to solve, but many of the world's most difficult challenges, Eastman is positioned as the right company because of 100 years of investment in manufacturing capability and technology excellence has positioned us to solve many of those problems.
We have a huge challenge today as we look at the environment. 300 million tons of plastic get used every year. That's a just phenomenal number to wrap your head around. And only 16% of that plastic gets recycled. So we have a huge opportunity in front of us to not waste so much resource and carbon and find a way to bring that back into the economy, take it out of landfill, obviously take it out of the oceans, and recycle it back into products with technologies that actually have a lower carbon footprint than fossil fuels.
We're going to play a critical role in helping close the loop of the circular economy and allow us to reuse materials rather than extracting new fossil fuel and raw materials from the earth every time we want to make a new product.
Keeping valuable resources circulating in the economy supports the market for secondary products and materials across all of our regions, which in turn also creates new jobs and also satisfies consumer demand for better, longer-lasting products. And ultimately, it really does build that business resilience for long-term viability. The circular economy model has really provided Eastman the opportunity to really integrate innovation with sustainability at a much deeper level than before in responding to global systematic challenges such as climate change.
And so we just launched 2 of those technologies to do that now for our cellulosic polymers as well as our polyester. And we're way ahead of the industry in launching these technologies, so we're in a great position to be a leader in how we can really take waste plastic and both solve climate change as well as get the product out of the landfill.
And I'm really excited to see us heading in this direction and proud to work for a company that's committed to making positive change in the world.
I feel like I'm in a unique position just with the luck of the draw. 100 years for Eastman, it's 40 years for myself. It's 37 years for gasification or reforming. And so we're taking a relatively old process and refurbishing and giving it new life and replacing fossil fuels with recycled plastic. It's a great opportunity. It makes me excited to come to work every day.
I'm incredibly proud of our history of building innovation and improving the quality of life. We talk about that all the time. What we're doing right now in the circular economy is a tremendous opportunity for us to say, look, we take sustainability, improving the environment as well as the quality of life every day.
And I think being able to think about Eastman, the Eastman culture, and trickling down that Eastman vibration into the community brings me so much of happiness and joy, and being a part of the 100th year celebration of Eastman, it makes me really valuable, makes me really proud and inspired what legacy this company has to offer for next 100 years.